Father, first time.
Yeah, first time
And-
here in Glacier Point. It's a 15-mile ride. So hopefully we'll be able to reach there at 12:30.
Nice view.
Hello.
Nice view.
Beautiful view. It's a little bit cold, but excellent weather.
All right. This is a very enjoyable ride. Woohoo! Ang bilis ni Pati sa ano eh, sa downhill eh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Pati!
Wala pang 2 miles. Pagod na.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Ay, ang bilis si Pati, oh. Ano po masasabi niyo sa pa?
Palamig.
Palamig.
Pakyat. But it's good. It's a good exercise.
Good exercise.
Yeah. There's snow here. Snow.
Matigas ba po, Father? Matigas?
Nice. It's soft. Really soft.
Soft. Woo!
Wala sa Pilipinas ito.
Enjoying! No. Father, what do you think? So far, we are probably on the 10th, Or more.
Almost 11 miles.
11 miles.
Going up. And we are now near the Glacier Point.
Uh-huh.
And this is the road. It's going down. This one's going up. And that's the dome. The back of the dome.
The back of the dome. Half dome.
Half dome. Half dome.
We made it, Father. We're still doing good.
Little by little. So, I'm cold, but I'm trying.
There you go. Woohoo!
And one of the view. That's the half dome.
Asan po yung
and
half
the two
dome?
poles. That's the half dome.
Oh,
And the
yun.
poles, the 2 poles there. You see the 2 poles.
It's turning a bit towards.
It's tiring, but worth it.
There you go, Yosemite lower and upper poles. And here's the half dome. Wow. Ganda. Alright. Here's part of our reward. Sentinel Dome. Look at that!
Sa GoPro niyo, Kuya Jared. Sa GoPro.
Dome view.
So we are arrived here in Glacier Point and 16.2 miles. No? And it's
All
really
the way up.
beautiful. All the way up. And we will suffer going back a little more than almost 2 miles. But it's really good. It's really beautiful.
Look at that.
Nice.
Beautiful. Ganda. After almost 16 miles all the way up, one way. We made it to the top, and these are rewards. The great view of Half Dome.
And going back 2 miles of supper.
That's the final reward on the way back. Alright, we're just gonna take a short break and then we're heading back. Very nice weather. Alright, we're heading back. Doing good, doing good. Woohoo!
A little more. Thank you.
Kaya ni Father. Pwede sa Lake Tahoe.
Wala hangin. Wala kote.
Kaya. Ano, malapit na tayo.
Hello, guys. We're here. Yeah, because it's all 5 more miles.
5 more miles.
5.5.
Woo! We made it! We made it!
Thank you. After 32 miles and 0.59 miles. Oh, mag-ending na si Ate Coco eh. Ay.
Ang lakas si Father eh. Hindi ka mahapon sa ano.
Baba. Pero paakyat,
Ang
wala.
bilis.
Congrats! Congratulations!
3 hours and 54 minutes.
O see, ang dami pa namin ang daming break. Enjoy pa kami.
Galing!
Wala
Congrats!
kami. May nakilala kami doon na isa eh. Taga ko siya, Sacramento, no?
Sacramento. Ayun. That will be our late lunch. Father, what can you say about our ride in general?
It's really good. It's beautiful. Though a little bit cold because I have cold also. So, but I enjoy it.
Father, you
Next
did
time.
it really good. Both
like
of us, first time, all the way.
Almost 3 hours and 54 minutes
Mhm.
back and forth. This is nice. All going up there.
Yeah.
Ah.
All right.